So in these applications, I would like to build some machine learning that can identify the polarity of a lexical. What is polarity? Polarity means that is this word a negative word or is this a positive word? For example, good, excellent are positive. But how to train the models and tell me that this is positive? This is what we are going to do now. Okay, you want to build a system or build a machine learning model which can identify if you have this word, if you have this extraordinary, then this is considered positive. If you have a word called, like for example, bad, sad, all these are negative. Okay, so how? First step, you need data set. So in this case, I'm going to import a file called movie review. So these movie reviews are actually a document that already compiled by someone and stored inside the NLTK. So this movie reviews is actually a folder. You can search from the Google. It's actually a folder. So inside this folder, it's called movie review. So this movie review, you have two sub files here. The one is a positive and one is a negative. And each file here, you have about 1,000 of TXT files. You have about 1,000. Same goes to the negative. You have 1,000 of negative files. So inside each of these files, you have a lot of comments for each of the movie. Okay, so this movie is very bad blah, blah, blah. So you have this review from people. Okay, and then if you know that this is a positive, you put this inside this folder. So this is your data set. Clear? Okay, so after that, we extract the features. So you can use your own features. In this case, I'm going to use the feature so-called most frequently occurs. Means that I will extract the highest frequency, the top maybe 1,000 words that is inside this 2,000 files. Then I will assume that these 1,000 words are significant, are very important. Let's say good is always, you have these keywords always happen in these two documents, right? Two files. Maybe you have maybe bad, delicious, okay, extremely. So we have 1,000 words here. Okay, let's see. So what we'll do here next is we will take this document, each document here. We will do a scanning. Inside this document, do we have these words or not? If yes, list out. Maybe I take out the first document, I have this word, good. And I know that this file is stored inside a positive, then I will have the first data set. Okay, good, stored inside the positive. Then I will scan the second document. Scan whether I have this the highest frequency word inside this document or not. If yes, what kind of word? Maybe you have this word called extraordinary. It's a positive word. Repeat for the 1,000 documents, same goes to the negative. Start with the negative. Okay, scan. Do we have this 1,000 word inside this document or not? Yes, extract out. Maybe you have this word called bad. It's negative. And so and so. So after that, what we'll do here is repeat the same process. Split the data 80, 20, 70, 30. Train the models, assess the model. Same pipeline. Come back to the coding here. Okay, so this is some data coding here. I have a movie review. So here I have about 2,000 files. So I have two folders called negative and positive. Okay, and each file I have 1,000 files, 1,000 comments. Okay, so that I will find out which word that is highest frequency, that has the highest frequency. Okay, so these are the words that always are shown in the files, in the 2,000 file set. Okay, after that I will do a scanning. Okay, I will do a scanning, see whether this document has that word or not. If yes, extract out and identify which label. Is it a positive or negative? Repeat all the 2,000 files. I will split the data 80-20. I will do a training. After the training, I test the accuracy. So after you run the code here, what happens? So you will see the accuracy 83% and 77% of test accuracy. At the same time, you can also use a function called most informative features, and it shows you that the worst word here, this word, okay, so it's always happen in these two files here, or positive or negative. And based on what machine learn, it shows that the tendency of this word is a negative is much higher than a positive, based on this ratio. Okay, then from here we know that worst, the machine will tell you that worst is actually a negative comment. Stupid is actually a negative comment. Memorable is actually a positive comment. Boring is a negative comment, and so on and so forth. So from here we can identify whether this word is a negative comment or positive comment. So we let the machine to learn by themselves. You will notice that I don't have any if-else statement in any code here. Based on the past, if last mean back to the 20-30 years ago, we are going to use this if-else statement. If let's say you have a word called worst, then it is a negative. Last time we do like this, but now no. We don't use if-else statement anymore. We put the data, we put all the data, we just throw everything into the machine learning, into the algorithm. The algorithm will learn themselves. Learn, and make the decisions for you whether good is a positive or whether bad is a negative. They make decisions that by themselves. We don't have any if-else clues anymore in this coding you see. We let the machine to learn, to find the pattern. Okay? So yeah, so I hope you can digest from these two simple examples. Okay, so